Happy New Year, Dazzlers, and welcome back to my channel. As always, I hope that you are safe and doing well. In today's video, I share with you a simple but elegant home decor DIY using inexpensive items that I picked up from my local Dollar Tree. Now let's get started. For this DIY, I used 12 4.5-inch Dollar Tree mirrors. I used a strong adhesive and Dollar Tree craft sticks to glue together 4 of the mirrors. Next, I used the same adhesive and craft sticks to glue together the remaining 8 mirrors. I then glued together all 5 mirrored pieces. I wiped away the excess glue and allowed the glue to set for about 2 hours. Next, I used a kitchen knife to cut 2 Dollar Tree Fluorofoam blocks in half. I then cut my roses from their bouquet, leaving about 3 inches of stem. These roses are fully bloomed, so here I'm using hot glue to close them up just a bit before inserting them into the fluorofoam. I added 4 roses to each of the sides and then 3 additional to the center. For a design this size, you'll need 12 bunches of roses. I did this for all 4 of the foam block pieces. As you can see, the color on these red roses is beautiful, but I've decided to create something a bit unique, so I'm painting these red roses matte black. While that black spray paint dries, I've returned back to my mirrored box to remove any excess glue and add Dollar Tree black velvet ribbon. Here, I'm re-adding 4 of the black tabs that I originally removed to protect the bottom mirrors. Next, I added 1 row of Dollar Tree self-adhesive diamond wrap. Here, I'm adding generous amounts of hot glue to the foam in order to attach it to the inside of my design. However, I discovered that adding the hot glue directly to the back of the mirror instead worked best. During placement, some of the roses have shifted slightly, so here I'm adding small amounts of the black paint to cover any remaining red. And here's the finished look. This design can be customized to fit any aesthetic. I chose black because the color black does not have to represent death or darkness. For me, the color black represents beauty, elegance, wealth, and power. I really love how my infinity roses turned out. I think they're beautiful. But what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments. As always, I would love to hear from you. I hope you enjoyed this week's video. If so, be sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. And until next time, Dazzlers, bye.